Namaste everybody, welcome aboard Green Living Path. Today we're talking about the three brains we have. We have our mind, which has obviously got neurons in, but believe it or not, scientists have found neurons in the heart, and which is a second brain, and also in the gut. So to truly manifest, a lot of people use the mind, just one part of the brain, the first brain. They don't. Some of them use the second brain and some of them use the gut, but not all integrate the three brains to manifest abundance, love in your life. It's really important to use the three brains, guys, and to practice it lightheartedly. Another really important thing is a lot of people, as we get older, we get more and more programmed and we get more and more serious. In actual fact, when you want to become better at manifesting, you want to become a lighter hearted and looking at the work or the things you're doing to manifest or create in your world as play. So looking at the world through child's eyes with the wisdom of a highly evolved being is key. So it's the integration of those two in your life, which is really important. Now, the key is what we're going to do is we're going to basically do a guided manifesting technique, which is extremely powerful, and I use it. I just used it before this. And so it's a little bit hot for higher, well, just a higher vibration, and it really works, but you've got to do it on a consistent basis each day, because what it's doing is it's reprogramming your three brains, the gut, the heart, and the mind, to integrate and align with abundance that flows into your life. And we're using the 5 pillars of abundance. Spiritual abundance, which underpins all the other 4. Financial abundance, relationship abundance, physical abundance, and mental abundance, guys. So get into a comfortable position. You can either be sitting upright or lying down. And what we're doing is we're doing a very powerful integration of the three brains to align ourselves to manifest abundance in our life. This is a really powerful technique, and it's free to use. So it's just a gift that I like to give, is I'm in service. I've been given a lot of decades of practicing yoga and yogis and had amazing experiences, so it's good to give back. So the first thing you do is you just use a mudra or whatever you're comfortable with using. That's just yogi mudra or yoga mudra. This creates a circuit in the body. You just put that down on your legs or wherever you're sitting, or on the floor if you're lying down. And now I just want you to close your eyes. Breathe in deeply through the nose, in the chest, and then into the abdomen, and then just breathing out. Making your breath really slow and really relaxing deeply into this breath. Another breath. And then breathing out. One more breath. Now keep this breath going, this nice deep breath in, and then an outer exhale. In your mind's eye, I want you to think of your mind, your head, in the head, bringing an orb of golden light out in front of you with your eyes closed. Then I want you to focus on your heart, the second brain, bringing that another orb out, integrating it into the mind orb. And then the third brain, the gut, I want you to bring another golden orb out from your stomach, third brain, into the orb. So you've got this beautiful orb of golden light spinning in front of you while you've got your eyes closed. You're visualizing it spinning. It's getting faster and faster and faster as it spins. Now I want you to let that orb go up in the air, higher and higher and higher, out of the Earth's atmosphere, through space, past all the planets, into deep space. Deeper and deeper and deeper this orb spins towards, deeper and deeper into the void, into the dark, deep space this golden orb flies towards. In the far off distance, there's this light, the super soul, the essence of all things. We're going to this golden light, we're entering the golden light, and there's this amazing super soul in front of us, guys. We're merging with the super soul, with this orb. We're now receiving love, abundance, and just feel that love and abundance in the orb, in your orb, radiating all through it. Thinking of the abundance spiritually, financially, relationship, mentally, physically, and also oneness. You deeply feel this energy percolating and vibrating and circling in your orb. Now from this orb, you're just in complete bliss, joy, happiness, love for the energy that you have in the orb. You are the orb, you are oneness. You feel beautiful, loved, free, and one. You are home. Feeling that peace and joy and love and abundance. Now just gently now thanking the super soul, and just gently, joyfully leaving the golden light, your essence, with your orb, going through deep space, faster and faster and faster, past all our planets, towards the earth, down through the clouds, down, down, down. Now the orb is now coming through your roof. It's sitting above your head, and you are looking at it spinning faster and faster and faster. You feel overjoyed with it, with the energy, the love, the abundance it possesses. You double that joy and abundance, treble that joy with abundance, and then you gently feel it enter the top of your head into your mind. Feel the energy radiating. Then you drop it into the heart and your stomach. It's now in 3 places: your head, your heart, and your stomach, radiating abundance. You feel the abundance financially, spiritually, relationship, mentally, and oneness, and the joy you feel with this energy percolating through your entire body. Then suddenly they all implode. All the energy is transformed and flowing through your whole body, in every cell, molecule, part of your body, in your field, linking with the field. You are truly one, truly blessed, truly abundant, truly happy, truly joyful. That is your true essence. You are now one spiritually, relationship, mentally, physically, financially, and you have complete oneness. You are whole. There is no separation between you and the light. Staying with your eyes closed still, just feel the energy percolating and vibrantly buzzing in your whole body. Feel overjoyed and so grateful and happy that this has happened to you. And in your own time, just gently opening your eyes with a smile on your face. Now practice this daily or whenever you can, and it will definitely integrate and transform your entire life. I hope this helped, guys. I love you all. Keep practicing. Namaste. Bye for now.